Alright you guys, we are back with our second video for Facebook. In this video we're going to be changing our username or our custom Facebook page link. So this is going to be for your Facebook pages, and let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing you want to do obviously is head on over to Facebook and then head on over to your page. Now you can find your pages by clicking on the down arrow here, or you can go ahead and click on pages here on the left. Either way, this is going to bring you to any other pages that you might have available to you. From there, go ahead and click on your page, and then from here what you want to do in order to change your Facebook page URL or your Facebook page name is actually go ahead and click on see more here. Now from here, go ahead and click on about, and then you can go ahead and change your stuff here. But we're gonna go ahead and change this and change it to whatever we want. So of course you're gonna go change yours to whatever it is that you want. I'm gonna set mine up as NobleArcade, and then we're gonna create that username. Now again, this is just going for everything else that we've got. Every platform that we're on, we're trying to claim our name, trying to claim our little slice of the internet. So it says the username NobleArcade has been created for just games. It's now easier to find your page. People can go to facebook.me/NobleArcade or message m.me/NobleArcade. But the most important part is that we've actually got that page name. Alright, now if you guys want to actually change the name of your page, you guys can see I've got my name here, Just Games. You can go ahead and try to do that, but that may give you some issues depending on what Facebook thinks you're trying to do. So I'm not going to mess with that yet. I will change that on my own later on, but if you want to go ahead and change it, you can go ahead and just follow the on-screen prompts. For right now, the most important part is that we've got our Facebook page name the way that we want it, as far as the custom URL goes and stuff like that. So if we go here to Just Games, you guys can see in order to get to it, you do have to go to facebook.com/NobleArcade. Now, I really don't use Facebook all that much, but again, I do want to claim it. I do want to set up a Facebook page for everything that we do online, as well as the website that we're working on. So it's a good thing to go out there and claim your name before somebody else does. So I just wanted to put this out there for you guys. If you guys like these videos, please let me know if there's anything else that you want me to cover. And until next time, as always guys, we'll see you in the next video.